Uh, let's start. What is the application of law of conservation of linear momentum? This is a recoil of gun. A recoil of gun. Let us imagine a gun. Okay, suppose this is one gun manufactured only for our class, nothing else. This is a gun, cartoon gun, and this is the trigger. This gun is only prepared for our class. And suppose here is the bullet. Here is the bullet. The mass of the gun is capital M, whereas the mass of a bullet is small m. Mass of bullet is smaller. Now, at the beginning, before firing, both gun and bullet are at rest. So, momentum of bullet plus momentum of gun is equal to 0. Total momentum before fire is 0. Now, suppose the bullet has been fired. Now, when bullet got fired, now what will happen? The bullet will move with certain velocity. Now, suppose this is the bullet of mass m. It is moving with a velocity small v. And the gun, suppose the recoil velocity of the gun is capital V. I don't know whether it is moving backward, forward, that's why the velocity of gun is small v, velocity of bullet is small v, velocity of gun is capital V. Hence, after firing, what will happen? The momentum of gun plus momentum of bullet, we have to calculate. What is that? Momentum of gun and momentum of bullet. Now this is actually, if I'm writing 0, it is a null vector, remember. Therefore, this is a 0 vector, let me call. Or let it be like this, 0 only. Hence, momentum of gun is capital M, capital V, plus momentum of bullet is small m, small v. Now, according to law of conservation of linear momentum, the total momentum must remain same. Hence, momentum after firing m, capital V, plus small m, small v, must be equal to 0. Or capital M into capital V must be equal to minus small m into small v, or capital V is equal to minus small m by capital M into small v. This is the required expression. Now it is observed that the negative sign indicates the direction of capital V is opposite to small v. That means the gun will move in backward direction. Gun will move backward when the bullet moves forward. Therefore, what will happen? Now let me analyze this relation. Now, as capital M, first let us analyze this one. Now, direction understood. Now, as capital M is greater than small m, this implies capital V magnitude will be smaller, small v magnitude. As mass is in the denominator, hence recoil velocity of gun is very small as compared to the velocity of bullet. Now suppose if case 1, this is case 2. Suppose capital M is equal to small m. Then what would happen? Now recoil velocity of gun must be equal to velocity of bullet. Hence, the speed with which bullet will move in forward direction, gun will move the backward direction. For that reason, it will give a jerk, or it will give a injury to the person who is fired. That is why the mass of gun is made heavier. And second thing, to increase further, the mass of the gun to increase further, that is always kept in contact with soldier, or that should be held tightly. That is why the recoil velocity of a gun is less.